just take an example. Hanata reform. No face Jola example. Perfect. No problem. In a in a different way from no problem. Bari, nde chance deal la fanko. Okay, abu cool in a yalone. Abu cool in a cool kijam. Just what had my yard run for a reason deal al puri diam and cool foot at a level doldo. But then we will get to that. Just put a topic on your skip. You understand? So, put alege longo nendiro aning banin diro laning camera ko ngambang estila la feka la karia fala bujang wol dia alwol typical bondije alwol bondije fulu alwol bondije wol sene asset because ali amoyle wasine atal mala sign afala interview da ko ko ning small nen man sonka bro ni mo difficulty nung to nung do me nung I be wo fata nung juna but in fana manke o mo sifade you understand that means ko nganda bo yelele puraleta ana fanga ya fale ko mos ka tamala nung ka tamala na mo ka tamo fanga soto so that means ko cool ba kaka ment batinande la man ha nta ha filin soto nola modo eji because natari nung cool mentar nung kaka lo isa for mo ha filin soto you know. So just to clear things Almbela moya kilola nkana nyo neng or anything cool le kata maning alaning interview la start like a play, you know, and then go a little bit back from ndala management side of mala because mamanke na hajiti and then will mala personal thing right, but then kaboko back ono kana fonte tu for the time moment because nte tonya long isa kudul din na mele alang konjiko long but in to mention the time so kontuma fania wakan fitile so kontuma me alang ga manken jiko nga fitile fonka wuri fonka lafka kumbo mo sifade just pour ka proof de ronko ma moke ndo kala mo ngani yo sta hanwa de you know. So modul fana enje wonyale tumandul tambita nung yen George wanya just because of nawa attitude, and I accept that. Until I'm a real person, I accept that woman define a fault lady. I should have dealt with situations in another way, you know. But hadamadu fane katar cool take kan me alongo mo pe mukalo no nyola. So time fana yati nan tari na muso nina tuwa muso problem soto. Akajerenya fanga murungambia ngatar sirinje fonga raga fonga po nimboyal ngaladulal bela ngadadulal bela but I'm a real person, you understand. But momental kono akola ata mabake because niachi be fang naturally ni mo ding sora na ding 2 years rek alka ding fulanjan but just because na futu woman tarta nice akajerenya ngamurungambia. So my life got deep down because it's my personal thing. Just put guy understand why women soul kono internet auto but nka over trubal nka futa level dol to nimol. That's because there are so many other things melfana happen on this side, you know. But women soul fana uma mean combat town. I'm living the normal life with the youth, with the ghetto, that's how much I love this industry, that's how much I love this music, you know. But at the same time, Fanang, it doesn't mean go lantam buludulado or kurotam aprin buludulado. But because Nimel Kata will they know, it will come with a magical performance, it has even turn up everybody. That's how Papa is. Make everybody turn up thinking and cool. Now banda the next thing. You understand? But modo lewoje because back in the days when they can yell at Nunina Mutu in a cool bit at Lalbir. But then I have a brother man who I say I respect him and Alamutu. But in time a real guy, if you're with me, maybe Bulum Fananga will accept. And we go into that model fanga when you go additional but no, that's my brother right there. So you know I mean one of and he's my real nigga. And then I go with him. Just because I know I have things to Ulmanda jahal, they call like and they call like a mole and call can fight, call can the family, you know what I mean? So, dunia mold, so on food, sometimes you boy you will just put a call and wala number murunga and dulado. Prialongo, the mole and genuine what time off now, what time on the seat. But it doesn't mean that there was nothing, you know. So, no campaign I'll be Minunjile. I was humbly with everyone, you know. But I will not go deep down into this, but I'm apologizing to the fans, real fans, to the real people. Many along they love me and they were disappointed to see me in that manner. Probably understand go. Those were those moments. But alhamdulillah, right now, very cool in my the whole class be in believe Europe, but the own side cool in the studio, but the film monkey. Yeah, because football, moving football into my football be one hand. Momo ba yira bete wala ne. Aka futa level dul to yeah. You understand? I don't mean just because of this, I will send my little advice to the younger ones. Many along they're doing music and they have access to come to Europe for now. You know, pay attention. You know, there'll be maybe at that time my young ring okay, that would be an easy access. Of course, it's a big advantage. I'm Marco Kujamal left na Europe me and Uncle Sang. I feel like I'm also but the neighbor music can for maybe pay attention to that side. Nini Mushu but Tarlanyoka, maybe I can motivate me and Uncle. He will be with you on this journey throughout, you know, just a little bit advice. You know, because was getting a bit difficult for me as an artist, you know. So let's just jump. You know. So I will go back on our concept. Interviewing start now to tell you the industry built in Yemen and how we were helping each other. And why the reason nyoma ko iwonya fokol futata nyel level to fumuna nantel be nyolo funa kol be kafuta nyoma. You understand? I will explain that. So ngani interview lama. Say a kombonga, you know, let's say a chronic bomb, you know, ana nyonyol. Muni ati na ko ba ko mata. Okay, so pru ka gina pru ka briefly explain ya on ya faham bagel. Among the label. I created a movement. It didn't only be a talent, we have great potential. And I'm a major artist, and I feel like, you know, like, instead of platform, in this no like other artists will elevate, promote too. So I called these kids on a meeting. Yalan. So bring a meeting also to halfway, you know, the Kobakono movement or among label team. Because it's the most sign. It's a long time ago. But I would love to do the little that I can for everybody. And I would love to give my platform to them specifically, even though Ninada Soto say, like, Mr. Gambian artists will be invited to perform, but I would give them, I give them advantage of performing at the perfect time, or maybe right before team, or an exclusive, show of the girl. That's what Koba Kono was about. Nko momo lafta sola ya fonye nsi don't know bahalal. I don't need profit nyela so ke parita yente jo na kodola reki na kolke. Yeah, ninga so soto ma make sola le perform at the right time, not just come opening acts or something. You perform in the middle of the show. Yeah, and you perform in the middle of the show. Yeah, na platform or anywhere you can use it anyhow. And the more laptop say videos with offending, you tell me I will try to do my little support. Maybe I will do a lot of fancy but I will do my little support for free. That is how Koba Kono came about. You can have interview with this kid. He said that was how record label sign. You are free to go. Because it's not a label. It's just we can have each other's back and your support and stuff more and you push. Yes. It was just that.
Atata na Takuba Kona, what a malum. It was never a record label or a profitable, group me along. I will gain anything out of it. It was more of me, giving out, if you get what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I understand that. Guest me, but guest me along any other artist would want it. Yeah, for him, especially coming from somebody like you. So,
Sometimes, yala nere come. Sometimes it ka cool in this nyama na mka ko nyama. See maybe yala ne Kombonga la case, Kombonga got GSC na kale. Ilafta sign na, he got a record deal with them. Atata ning yalan. Like I said, anybody could, it's not like a label, one man contract sign. It's just yalan direct me talking to them like this. I can do this, we can do this together. Yalan. So Kombonga record label also, Atata moved, with GSC, which was very good too. Yalan. And then but sometimes, you don't feel like, see, the respect in the mean sort of level sort of. Say, let's say, mostly event or sort of. It's a format event or in Kalamuta fam. Or maybe, 2 days before event, Kalamuta or near event or sort of. Yeah, and I just. Okay. You template, Ojel. That was a template by Alonco. I've been in jail and in T Smalls. But if I didn't go diamond from Nafa, like you government industry. T Smalls is the music industry. Without T Smalls, government industry, government industry. Nafa, Aliamu. Yeah, Binta humble demanding. Yeah, because in Kobak on a concept, it was a template, member, and that template was studied because Nico BK City. T Smalls was already big. Chartbusters. When you explain the chart in life too about Bomalaje Katato records, and exactly Lum explain ni Lolalawa. Amun Halis, but we give our platforms to other people. So umu template let him BJ. But in Maflela why Atea emulate while he came into it. So Nte I had the BK City. T Smalls was big from Chartbusters, Tele TV long, mobile in Nyage already. And I'm not a sensation in open mic, so everybody know me. But we want to stop from having other individual artists. And these evidences are there. Maybe belong Dolba ungrateful, they love like a because of the internet or because Melbourne Balano. And when I didn't know it was because Manundukola Kamchala. Mbakudo Shotokan every month regular. But in Dongol Mukakudo Shotono. So studio Mukashoto. But talent in budget. Il a fait overlap long music kepari ma access. So ndata phone ko fuck it. But in day kudu nyo shoto but in I put the studio available. So ndungu jama katatambala no time on. You understand? Ndungu jama katatambala no time on. Mbanum bakote, I was big enough already. Big with so many things. With the Chartbusters, people know me, and big with football. So famous talent know already without even from musical bakote kon. So because of football, maybe a long one I was a good footballer, bro. Nimmo footballer boy, more than more footballer bro. You understand? So fame in monkey kukutade. To often since Bakaolam for now. You understand? So na back what is stay in Dugil Tam 50 wall if an more grand hospital if an alka musicola, then a cool blend in your colonial will find access to the canal side. So Nissan new long monkey come soldier to Yalong. And in soldier move wild the soldier because soldier move better bald better than far told no brother. Not real brother.
But it's like he was closer to soldier than you,
No, he was close to me. Yeah, I'm a very emotional person. You understand? Because that's just me. Wo is just me, natural. Because I reflect the kudul. But I will keep going.
No, Uro is better than Go Kefo, you know. Iba Kumbele.
Yalo, ning kandida long muka kumbona nga dof. But ning emotional tara nga kumbole. You know, ni mumu lombala rek, they know that. Mbe mutala nga kumbo si sasi. Te amanke na problem today, la problem na explaining yata rek. Nga emotional nga kumbo. Just puri kanata anything, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. So that was my real way. The real way. Come on, from I from God, internet or like. So yeah, ninteba kuwa kukikare.
Well, small. And ye kumbo, on your specs or doom is better. Sorry, your specs or doom, ye woody, well, is better than, like, it's so emotional because not only it a mind reflector onto something else, may yalango, well, be you know what I mean? But just be patient and then.
Ante mukibal, ante mukati ndo tiba, ante kodi jamala tundi ni music go kono. So wala na fa ani mo do mem kan understand camera mba foolishness la lete. Ita ka wole la sumanda sumanda ita do wala. Ila family balundi. Ante ka nyine ka for 15 years. What the fuck do you think? Yamu ni mira. Mbako do shata la mdo ngata ke machine ati. O ngata ke carpenter. Fe ole mira. So ni anje jangban na right la. Mental football ku diam ka mental politics ku diam ka adum ban musical diam ka ban tole diam ka I put my mouth where my money is. Tell man ka din din saying bro. Adu nyoni ni mon man futa wala bulu to ka tell mel be in internet to ngal pala because I'll mislead tell to so many things. They make you hate me for no reason. Yeah, I understand. So intending still a new long was long time ago, bro. Funka nyoboring. I remember one day nyoboring about that. You know, that's how close we are. Malala killing. We went to find visa. Malala killing Senegal. I'm going to formal field kapuli tandal. How to do it? Because Tamatalangana, you know, I do mojama gaf go no atamatala jambula wala tinani. But for any natalanga membe janinka jambula. But until I feel the alla purkata Europe from Cameroon nang AC. Because okay jama kata ni yutuje. Small starter like about la jela murunta na e ka man possible am atata murunta na ko den malo fi dial ka tan dal wo fa possible tal who nte aliaje alalon ko ye is true atata dira jt altel promoter mel be Europe gamben artist juma la force a start ka play gamben artist juma to bear the flag and say let's do it. These smalls in a generation. Yeah. But just because of personal problem from Dole Nyakas in him come book. Yeah, because they feel go, yeah, and you never problem on I'm in the book. Sana role men play J. Come I have many moment problems, so I role men play J will enter me. I don't take me for I'll go not too much just because some of you are kids. They move bad and I don't get doing it. Dole they are kids. I'm a real man. Karajo kumbo gani. Imalo. Dum ki kew kew. Dum ka sila hanim madong hanim fama mengu. Ala ni nga melbang bala. Na indi men kafale. Yeah, that's the way I was built. So nilsen ala nyoro is that far. Yeah, I understand. Of course, big at time. True. And in terms because Nugel can jibele no fanko kiba. You know, I'm among you guys, but madog wala gamta. I understand. My football la party giant, so near level mattering at the same time. I always look at them as my youths. But in a blessing or blessing, so that I welcome them to it. You understand? So I can't tamlaya, of course. But when I give a metal after Molnada made a funk of SP from BK. I'm not even talking about the things well past and away. Come, of course, he made his name with legendary click. Come, let it be clear. I will tell you, ST is one of the greatest artists Gambia men produce. Trust me. And because of our talent, apart from tena tenim bike sitting a nyolo ngo time mo be kata nyokang kata nyola dula don dugul kana yam fanang katela side jening kana wuling kamo so nga fa lan nyolo was from that side but bring it closer koma na dali nyolo ayake ko kom defanga na team ko de bro nga ben gulila side nga nyosa banjele bro bichoto so bi kana ke content ite fon nene manke wo mo si faldi bro even though it transfer and willing come time moment yeah you got your own space but in there I have a bigger space bun kono nani long sali ba katang sirang nani la katar la rinchino boy ka chinji musbal minala bu kol kala man recording kala studio bi mo is freedom to everyone. You understand?
Yeah, you see bidding them thing. Of
course. Near wall for be.
I'm all blast on people. I'm looking for good and I'm
cool. That's cool. Then a man songa, then a man crochet on you, then a man sika on you. That's cool. And then, men for my agenati, and I have a broad daylight. Cool. No face long. Wagan from the open mic. Oh, I explain the war is normal. Because until we play the open mic, so no face wall. They were coming from Senegal as an invitee. So obviously, Nimo Artist Party be introduced as a normal introduction day. You know, but it come and in no face Ladoko to my born mother and my father. Until they will call me.
Yeah.
I make that call. Until they will call me. Go in I do the more but I call I still in some way problems about music, about beats. Time Alundamova getting, you know, and Alundama song was produced by Nova. You understand? It was a big song and big lyrics, big style, but it was not all it need music level because he could have made those music. At that time, it was even definitely could have been better. You understand? But then it was a big song played everywhere. Of course, I'm actually told but then I saw that okay, yeah, this guy will go far. You understand? But what time when him no face for more opportunities. But at the same time, I need some problems with a bit cool, you understand? So she says he up the invitation to Senegal. Human, Governor Human, willing invite because of Journal de Rape. I was reporting for Journal de Rape. This shows all the way up to CNN. Go and do your research. Well, and the model government or this small Yemenke. Mujama market international. I'm gonna understand because we'll research. Yalan and two for the dynamic. I was reporting for Journal de Rape for CNN. Pro Senegal. You understand? So news lo numero nga kana tell na but they rap nika news ni report. So I was a correspondent. So ning human la link shot to wanya. Through human yang introduced to No Face. Ako nyo ko bro. Nimba minki ka right now Senegal ma understand flow. It's rap mbala. Nakalma sa urbal from usually from Gambia. So Senegal ma understand Senegal they are just on this hardcore hip hop because of deep. So I think it will be so good to a song, which was a great idea, the greatest idea of Mani Mendy. You know, yeah, interviewing for because now cram off head, so that play like what I'm for new mic, I will be answering it. You know, because I listen to it so much. I don't know look at editing Jama and get a yellow for now, but it's up to you guys to decide that. You understand? So human, you introduced to the first I offer you, but I offer you, yeah. Nga mbatra la nintata Gambia nga tra mbatra la No Face not nyala so nga No Face not wala nga fly la from man so nga ticket to Masilota I fly him because yeah we're good nga fly to Gambia not so I was staying aside I listen to this point very carefully artiso yela ko do spend ya producer na ya sindi la bungon faya mera diga ni man la ka freedom di momo le man la fi hana tare momo na la kudule nata anang producer ni nyolon iti you have the right because I Italy had ticket or something Italy had in the so you have the right to go 5 on ko na tare ba 2 weeks na kala jan ni na do gola ni pretty say ni momo la fa do gol alta do ko ke dula do but not in the space faya mera man right to ko
That's it.
So another reading produce nyolon for another reading the cool example. Then that means ko is insafo no la later do go la do I cannot do in the space. But that's because I want that to happen because of the problem with Nova, because of all those things. Because no fucking next year no face to the music will be a bit change because I hear the sound. I hear the sound and I know I'm going to have a little bit change, you know. But kadung nganati asita, it was not only ST. It was a discussion of saying, no face, you will produce me, but malafiyake only me. Ndala tumo ka repeat de. Al tali na interview be la mahimbe me fuga nyang ngali film da jali am ko. You understand? Ngo ko inin kilin ta dogo ke no la bari ma make sure la boil for ne dogo. One, it two for number la jenne, and then two until the music for number change because I know this could do that. No fire. Ako nyoko okabukula, ako ni wayasin boy den nay. Hindi buga fay. Nga ako no boy amun pahango. Boy ni kango hindi make pa ne good common. I'm from the as an example. Nga ako ne amang ko komti. Nga ako suita boy al chat no la wanya. Bro nga ST call. Billahi, wallahi, tallahi, kitab. Nga call. Nga ni no office bank ale diam inata iya ode. Mani momo banyoka ni manke nakaruti ilada alala. Ode yani mo nata la mari memma jumalo. Hey wallahi to nyafo way bro. Nata ri mari benyil life la moyka. Inata. No face ya charge kodoni overshare. Akata jono la. Atata. Nko no face ko boy ngafo le ko boy. Ngol manke ko konti. A stop. Ya a change the money boy bro. Otherwise it a client so la jante kilini le bado ko kala yes. Nkai ko so wata kala boy fon na lafta son kam lon kala kom nga sana ya malon ke nga tablet o boni tablet kuto billahi wallahi taala nga diala ngai ko bro for this sake atray ba man na ila nyame limboy billahi wallahi taala so nga intelena da a call back nga text back at in office then another ko that's the time da quarter of course production ni let me see how it works. I tell about Jola Faiko. You don't expect a small slabo Jola Fay. Who is production. You book production feel a joker to no face. But studio la entire environment and the name move record la studio to Dawada. On a normal case, the studio owns the credit. Now the idea that I can do but me back again studio to that studio guy owns the credit. That's how it works. You pay the producer and the producer owns his credits separately. Music can work on him. So I told you I tell you, but momanke in the majukudu is a normal thing. And in the form Nobles near call. Nobles not a Nobles a full EP legal and a moment in Gala Songa not studio. Yeah, song will be Jalfa and be more like Alana from Galpocot na studio. You know, so na by Babu call, na Barham call. I remember who's the fifth one. You will be a call Gogalago. I think this guy will do magic. More content for because this guy will do magic with you guys. You know, so we'll be able to do Kijela separately and they all pay the producers separately. You know. But credit Kanye no face I don't have a problem with it. But normally on business, it's only wise I'll credit the studio because that's how it works. You know. But then I was not looking at ST at that way from, you know, I was just seeing it as until space so that I have access to these things. And I openly call you. So if you finish to get bro it along, so I didn't limit anything, you know. So but for it from the monkey hanama dengan tibang kalong ko tonya another studio bambulum from bulu sokona but in manyin do kudo ke ganjina studio time allow purungan yung access Famera, it's nice to can through shouts like Aboga. Tonya no nyanyin doll record and Nasadle, Krato records, the bigger, you know. That's how we do it, you know. Nga love di nyola, you know. If I'm grateful, it's not. Even grateful from is okay, you know. But professionally, it's allowed for you to say it. To say this was recorded at Katato Records, you know. Even though I don't have a problem with it, huh? Huh? Even though I don't have a problem with it, because what Diamol Janabo Wulila, it was already on. Nalela Moy back. Still, our albums are the greatest music he ever produced. Pay attention. From those days, our album Flul Mela produced Saluto and Maninka Warrior will be our album maker. Those are the best songs that he produced because it was kind of collective. Because then at the moment, after go ayake ko nina mankusoro. Then at the moment, go bro, Nenta Kasile can song analyze together. You know, to make sure we are, you know, because that's how it works in other places. I find what idea in, but in Africa, I know what idea did because I can't in studio to I can talk a lot. Then now can in studio to billahi wallahi tala because I knew and I give him respect. I'm a big artist, so I'm coming from the studio in Clay and Murunkale. Practically yet time shot on in your face. I'm coming from the phone sometimes. Maybe you don't even pay attention to those things, but mbela punya di ke la kait and the mu book additional to yela privacy need. So song most of the song from not along ka vibe to correct, you know. So janim bina afolako let's listen to our songs. So one day I think that because he got good songs, I along call musical from change that it's not the same. He was so happy and proud of the songs. You know, so none of the studio they were happy with the whole crew, they were listening to the songs. You know, but they didn't know need to put 10 songs American Papa 20 songs, 40 songs called alcohol because Sudo Papa Casino. So they were playing their songs. So no face mistake that and not follow a few songs play guy. Snitch Wall, Givel Wall, other songs. And then tell people release that. You understand? Studio theater. Studio theater go woo until Yammer and Delvijan they are from Papa but now. You understand? So let's say when you sondo ibela sol America la tastic and so in a givel in a snitch along level on your mandar the same. Wala na kaprako maybe al album all about big gradual starter. Then we'll find it and the fame because at the moment from Africa small smokasi, small katamal. Small batama ka moto flash about babulu studio babulu I love video yellow no face I would all level in studio I would jello some of the good space na song Gewel was the biggest song member fintering at that time so how possible in book grudge or la mome and go tell you call Brian so muna number be focus is because fan soul in a way it can all need to dinyola because the interview you be near la made any moment jodi but ila song to ikamol garo alaji nini ga ni jodi the next song in the day bala na ko bala la no so so problem man so but you talk about the problem on your songs you know let's go I will keep going just probably understand how I more jama use nyamming for they become a mess in the society. Kamo don't hate for no reason. And who get a problem more like a problem. Like he said, nena na mo sonka, nena na mo bisoro. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's
Okay,
not.
I do not know in those days he was not having money. You know, Akatara Barobolo sometime I had 3,000 on Joe was you know, I was that was.
But we'll be Muntel Bellet, we'll be Muntel Bellet. You come on for 3,000 or one can produce small steady, one produce a la jolity.
Okay.
In produce about production key capital. Iba jola wala between you now. But this small light below a la bagas while Galena studio jela no face la time I'll na bagas mamma or blado, but man. Some be a piano. So bagas will environment will lighting will electricity will conducive will be wala katina na kajeria fa mariego this person this is recorded at this site. It's just a token to appreciation to say baraka, you know, or can you push one because then I give you that, you also give me that advertisement. More often as I have got small studio for most album, you know, yeah, you You understand? So even Imanjo Kudola, then in return you give me that. You know, so wala nang credit din yola. You understand? So it makes it look like community we have nothing. But then woman could case into you know. Woman could case into. So one minute, when you look at it. You understand? So until we were supporting each other based on na level. Benjamin. I have access and I help other artists who I can help at the front and the same thing. You understand? And which was nice. But at a fail Kedame, he only at some point covering Kombonka, let's say example, Kombonka and in Chronicle. They are with him. G was with Attack YD. And then wo come tell be amanke liberty. Come gamen for kodo man shoto non tell be from na little things on gamen shoto nka wala share with the other people. A typical example deal and tell all the artists mele along konte personally because I'm not talking on behalf of any artist, I'm talking on behalf of me. Nte artist will be support. Be it in Natala under me as a label or name friend related to the external cold dunta nyoko fan na fans wala cold dunta nyoko na example Silk Chris Wall, Mandy Mori Wall, Mighty Joe Wall. Ntel kanyo support no nyame. Is ninte show shoro. Ninte play the alliance. Aba fala la tep. But the next one no menka na wala ta aba fala kataminte famatari. Even though ninte le big tawo famati. Muna no wakake. That's because come I mean for we give our space to you. So ninka promote properly. Mina la ngafu na fan so lokal ta silkila short ali overfund come mol fanga ali ko we are trouble natal. You understand? Alta mandin na show to the extent that ticket over functional ila from your things ngadi la fan show ngadi na fan show that I support. So well on template will the mel bijenu. You understand? So ate nama working at that point. Nama chronicle and nothing at that point. Nothing at that point. It will look like okay, if a number big rinne, you don't be able you don't support if a number you don't support. At the same time, Kombonka Ning Chronicle very talented, they had their concentration going on them. So a man choice and the only way he should do is Purkagalkili. Malong may call, but that's the reason my it was technically forced on him because Jiba can dole and tobacco can dole nifana market dollar ribo win can of course mulbe question on yin kala. And then industry new time akatama no wanyal. So nifana okay you are part of it. You know. So I work but coalition on not a dame. Woman can na hajiti who is between it. You understand? But then ngalo no kufananko. Those two individuals were very good on their own and attention kan. You understand? And then Niba nun together no fana would have helped those people. You understand? So after that I'm for collabor mandinola who is their personal problem, woman can tell her so I'm not gonna say it. But in I will emulate Nyameng. Why that comes to existence. So I'm saying this for you understand industry you can no support no one. You understand? But he stopped it along the way. I have stopped it along the way. Why? Because in their personal opinion, you didn't want anybody to go over your head. You understand? Even if you don't want time over your head. You know? And the reason why that is because all the artists, you support. Support, but you don't really support them. Because Nike support will not show for them big like come it'll show. And that's why I said let template on you will follow but I asked to play at some point. I asked to Nyame will to go Ningwell la show sheeter. You don't go out for them. Come tell Kamenkanu to make sure go for an entire fire or entire time. I have fight yard. I do need example it's very easy to understand. Going to our father, when the Morita father, Gita father, Mighty Joe, father, Baba Bunado, Bankunji. I'll recall Baba Bunada among Kunji because they'll be like a bullying no okay. So at a was stop. I remember example of Dilala among Korea.
Okay.
Even rebellion they recall a men not recently started gonna. That's because become artist will be form. Become artist will capri start a bloody was capritis mostly started a beef sort of. Or start you are supporting them, but you don't really support them. Look at the industry like a template or maybe and Munan and half you got a template on your bulala. And why you kick everybody out. You understand? Because I'm an artist who can start to get support, can bring him beef start along. You never supported them the way until it and deal bro. Because what be you know? You understand? So no be rebellion ya soldier like a Gambia. You were big, you are big and popular. You understand? Show will be for Mukatante. I went to some shows me along go. One day in Bhutan in Senegal, and I don't go broken ballad, but Senegal Siloko, but I will still come and I still went there. So muna na also big for saying no you go rebellion support like kite and go okay now you're part nah you're using the people you go like that's what you
Exactly. So that's what I wanted to even ask. Like based on your explanation, it's like ST was using those artists. You know.
artificial will belong and now for nyame okake nyame because no wala artificial at times either they got less power you know they will feel go na imang tarala list line auto, all these people will go against them and also at a fanang, ital fananta chance la fang pro So it's a big fear